I wanted to show this knife to you guys. I just don't know how easy it's going to be on video because it's a multi-tool. But I oiled it up and I'm able to flick the blade out without using two hands, which is kind of unheard of with a multi-tool. But I can flip it out, I can flip it open, shut it, flip it open, shut it. Anyway, it's a multi-tool because it's got these on the back. It's actually a Leatherman. It comes with a Phillips bit, a little pry bar, and a flat head, as you can see right here. And it's got a pocket clip on the side, which is really cool. I put a little lanyard on it with a little devil bead as usual. But it's really smooth. It's one of Leatherman's, see what it says on it. Shoot, I can't even remember the name of it. But it's one of Leatherman's newer ones. I think it's called the K2. But these are the locks for it right here and right here for the blade. So you can close them all up and they won't come out unless that lock is depressed. Same with this blade. If I can get it to close again. There we go. Anyway, it's not really meant for one-handed, but I got it lubed up to where I can use it one-handed. So anyway, it's a pretty cool little knife. Nice little multi-tool to have. Not all big and bulky like all the other ones. I like the pocket clip on it. I'm pretty sure it's called the K2, like I said. So anyway, go check it out.